little one. Come here. Oh, yeah, I know. That's hot, huh? Yeah, you're getting a big drink of water. It's so darn hot out here. I think it's about 106, 107. That's a good boy. Yeah, come here. There you go. Get a big old drink of water. That's a big boy. Boy, you're thirsty, aren't you? Wow. Yeah, I don't blame you. I do not blame you, young man. Aw, you're so sweet. I wish I could take you home, you know? But we got too many cats already. Come here, baby. Come here. Come on. Can I get more water? Come on. All right, you lay down and try to stay cool.